So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on power options on the top. Now you're going to click on choose what the power buttons do. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Now, make sure that you have turn on fast startup recommended ticked. Make sure that you tick this, turn on fast startup, and then click on save changes. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in task manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on startup apps. It's going to be showing us all the applications that automatically start when our computer turns on. So in my case, Security of Sys Tray automatically starts up when my computer turns on. And I know it does that because under status it says enabled. I don't want this application to automatically start, so I'm going to click on it and then click on disable. You want to disable all the applications that you do not want to start automatically when your computer turns on. And then once you complete all these steps, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.